How to redeem Love2Shop gift card. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site love2shop.com.uk. It will land you on the official page of Love2Shop. In this page you can see it says activate, manage and find out where to spend a gift card here. Tap on manage, activate and spend Love2Shop. Now tap on this basket icon at the top right. Move into payment methods. Well, you can see the space where you'll have to enter a gift card number. Simply enter a gift card number here and then tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Love2Shop gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.